Racing this car?
Back in the 70s.
Yeah, where were you racing?
Back behind Brickerville.
Oh, okay.
Brickerville.
Cool.
Yeah. And racing. And then my son raced it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then it was sold to a guy up in Lewistown.
Uh-huh.
And then he raced it a couple of years, and then they put it in his garage, and it didn't get raced for like 15 years.
Right.
And then I knew where it was, so I went and offered him some money for it and got a chance to buy it back.
Great.
And then it restored.
What year was that?
Probably 25 years ago.
Okay.
So we restored it, and I won't get rid of it.
Oh, no way.
It's a great car.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Now, how did you feel when you first sat in it again so many years later?
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Oh.
It's a really a great car.
Uh-huh.
Made by a guy that built these. He built a lot of them. But it's
You remember who built it? Who did the chassis?
The name of Ken Hennerdeer, who was from Leola.
Oh, okay.
He was from Leola. And he had a machine shop, and he was able to build these. And they built them off of, they scaled them down off of a full-size sprint car.
Uh-huh.
So, we built quite a few of them, and they were very popular. And they only started out. 1961 was the first they raced these at Brickerville.
Uh-huh.
Before that, they raced them at another small town, but I don't remember where it was.
Now, you're running a Ducati. What was that, 250?
It's a 250 modified 250, yes.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Shaft drive.
Shaft drive, direct drive.
Oh.
You take it out of gear, the in and out for the take it out of gears on the rear end.
Yeah.
And of course you have to you use a pump on the side of the car there. That's how you pump your fuel up.
What do you mean?
Carburetor.
What do you mean the bump?
Where that pump is.
Oh, the pump.
Right there, see it?
Yes. There we go. Okay.
I'm in there.
Pressurize it. Gotcha. There we go. Boy, that is tight in there.
It is.
My gosh.
We don't want to be moving around, you know.
No.
Get upside down. That has shoulder harnesses on it and that a lap belt.
Yes.
So you can't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Ties you in there so tight. Yep.
That's brilliant. That is brilliant. My gosh. So, gotta ask, did you take home any iron?
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
That is great.
I didn't win a lot of races, but I won some big races.
Good.
Big races. Yep.
What was your biggest race? What was your favorite?
It's called the Clyde Martin Memorial Race.
Uh-huh.
So I won that twice.
Uh-huh.
So, and the Coca-Cola race. Coca-Cola sponsored that night. And I won that race also.
That's amazing.
So, yeah, it's pretty cool.
I gotta take a walkabout. What is your first name?
Glen.
Glenn? Thank you, Glenn. I appreciate
You're
it.
quite welcome.
My gosh. What racing history. This is wonderful. That is cool.